With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today's question is if in is equal to integral a to a plus pi by 2 cos square nx upon sin x dx, then I2 minus I1, I3 minus I2, I4 minus I3 are in, and we are given these four options. So basically we have to find these three and tell whether they are in a GP, AP, HP or none of these. Okay, so let's get started. We know that sin x and cos x both are periodic function whose period is 2 pi, right? So we can say that sin x and cos x both are periodic function whose period is 2 pi, right? So we are given in is equal to integral a to a plus pi by 2, here cos square nx upon sin x, and here dx, right? So this is what? This is a periodic, its period is 2 pi. So we can write this as in is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Here cos square nx upon sin x dx. Okay, sin x dx. Okay, so here we are given I2 minus I1 and I3 minus I2, I4 minus I3. So if we have a look at these terms, these I2, I3 and I4. So if we write these as in, and then we are having minus I, see this is what, if this is in, so this is nothing but in minus 1. See, in is 2, so 2 minus 1, so here we are getting I1. Similarly here 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, so that is I2. So this is in minus in minus 1. Okay, so this is of this form. So now on comparing, we can write, see in is given to us, so this will be equal to, in was given as, here we took in as 0 to pi by 2, this is in 0 to pi by 2, and here we were having cos square nx upon sine of x, and here we are having dx, then minus integration 0 to pi by 2. Now for n, here we will put n minus 1 again, so here we will have cos square n minus 1 and x dx upon sin x, sin x. Okay, so this can be written as, if I write this integral 0 to pi by 2 one time, and I take here LCM, so that is sin x only. So here we will have, see, cos square nx can be written as 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus sin square x, because we know sin square x plus cos square is equal to 1. So from there we get the value for cos square nx as 1 minus sin square nx, right? Then here we are having minus. Similarly, this can also be written as 1 and then minus, here we will get minus because of this. So 1 minus sin square n minus 1 x dx. Okay, so, and because of this minus, this will become plus. So this can be written as, this minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. So here we will have 0 to pi by 2, then sin square n minus 1 x minus sin square nx dx divided by sine of x. Okay, so if we take a look at it carefully, so this is nothing but a square minus b square identity, right? So this can be written as 0 to pi by 2, and that is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this will become sine of n minus 1 plus nx into sine of n minus 1 minus n into x dx. This whole is divided by sine x, right? So here this n and minus n will get cancelled, and we will have here sine of minus 1x, and we know that sine of minus x is nothing but minus sine of x. So this will be equal to, here we will have minus, so 0 to pi by 2, this will become, because of this minus, so minus will come here, so this will be equal to sine of 2n minus 1 into x, and here we are having sine of x and divided by sine of x dx. Right, so here we are having 0 to pi by 2, and this is, see, sine x and sine x will get cancelled, so we are left with sine of 2n minus 1 dx. Right, so now we will integrate this. So its integration, sine integration will be minus cos x, so minus minus will become plus. So here we will get cos of 2n minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1, and here x. Here also we are having x, right? So here x, and we will be having here 0 to pi by 2 limit. So on putting the limit, we are having 1 upon 2n minus 1 we are taking out. So this will become cos of 2n minus 1 pi by 2 minus cos of, this is 2n minus 1 into 0. Okay, so we have done upper limit minus lower limit. So see, cos of this thing will give us 0. So we get here 1 upon 2n minus 1 into 0 minus 1. So this thing was equal to what? Here we were in continuation having in minus 1. So from here we get in minus 1 equal to minus of 1 upon 2n minus 1. Right. Now in the question we were asked to find the value for I2 minus I1. So that will be equal to, instead of n, put here 2. So that will be equal to minus 1 upon 2 into 2 minus 1. That will give us minus 1 by 3. Similarly, I3 minus I4 we were asked to find. So that will give us I3. So put here 3. So 6 minus 1. So minus 1 by 5. Similarly, this is I2. Okay, so I3 minus I2 will be this. So similarly, we were asked to find I4 minus I3. So that will be equal to minus 1 by 7. See, this is n, and this is n minus 1. So here we have to put the value for n. That will be 4. So 2 into 4 minus 1, that is 7. Similarly, here we got 2 into 3 minus 1, that is 6 minus 1, that is 5. Okay. Now see, we can say that these are in HP. How? See, if any three terms A, B and C are in HP, that means twice upon B, 2 upon B, where B is the middle term, this is the middle term, will be equal to 1 upon A plus 1 upon C. Okay, so let us put the values here. So this will become 2 upon, here we are having minus 1 by 5 equal to 1 upon minus 1 by 3 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 7. That will be equal to minus 10. This will be equal to, see this side, we are having minus 10, and on simplifying this will go in the numerator. So here we are having minus 3 minus 7. So minus 10 is coming equal to minus 10. So this condition is being satisfied. So we can say that all these are in HP. So let us check the options. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.